Hello everyone. Sanghamitra School is proud to present to you the story of the hero who helped India win the 1987 Siachen standoff. This is the story of the brave heart Paramveer Chakra, Naib Subedar, Captain Bana Singh. The date was 26 June 1987. It was very cold on the Siachen Mountains. In this extremely cold weather, our Indian soldiers were tired and had no food and water supplies. Yet, in spite of all this, the Indian soldiers marched on bravely. At this point of time, the only thought that our Indian soldiers had was to reclaim the Siachen post, which was now under the Pakistani occupation. This was going to be a very difficult journey, as the Siachen was also the toughest battlefield in the world and also the coldest army base in India. The Siachen mountains were draped with needles of ice and 1500 feet above the ground. The Siachen area, it is a disputed territory. Siachen area is claimed by both India and Pakistan. In the year 1986, the Pakistani army captured Siachen and named the peak as the Quaid Peak. It was named as Quaid to honor their leader, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. The Pakistani troops occupying the Siachen post now had a clear view of the movement of the Indian troops stationed at the Sonam post. On 18th April 1987, the Pakistanis from the Quaid post fired on the Indian troops at Point Sonam, killing 2 soldiers. They also continuously attacked the helicopters that was flown in to help the Indian troops. After a month of preparation, the Indian Army launched an operation to recapture the Siachen post. This operation is called as Operation Rajiv. This operation was called as Operation Rajiv to honor 2nd Lieutenant Rajiv Pandey, who had been martyred by the Pakistanis during an earlier foray to reclaim the post. On the morning of 26 June, a team of 5, led by Naib Subedar Bana Singh, climbed up the icy wall and tried to reach the top of the peak. There was unfortunately a blizzard, resulting in poor visibility, but this gave cover to our Indian soldiers. On reaching the top, Naib Subedar Bana Singh saw that there was only a single Pakistani bunker. The Pakistanis did not anticipate this attack and were quite unprepared. Both the sides got involved into a hand-to-hand combat, and the Indian troops outmaneuvered the Pakistani troops and reclaimed the Siachen post. Naib Subedar Bana Singh displayed exceptional bravery and courage during this operation. On 26 Jan 1988, he was awarded Paramveer Chakra for his outstanding bravery during Operation Rajiv. The Quaid post was now renamed as Bana Post. We Indians are very grateful to Paramveer Chakra, Captain Bana Singh, for his contribution to keeping India safe. Thank you.